A parabola has a maximum value of 4 at x equals negative 1. Now, what they're saying is, in that line, that this has the point negative 1 comma 4. And because it's a maximum, that means that the graph has to open up, or I mean open down, right? So it's going to look like that. So, and then it says it has a y-intercept of 3. Well, the y-intercept only occurs at 0 comma 3 when x equals 0. That's what that line's saying. And an x-intercept at 1 comma 0, right? So x-intercept y equals 0, y-intercept x equals 0. It says which graph matches that description. B is out. The vertex is at 2 comma 5, so that's out. C is out because the vertex is at negative 2. And this vertex is close, but it's a positive 1. So now A is the only one left, but let's double check A. A does have the point negative 1 comma 4, right? Let me change that color. So this is negative 1 comma 4. It does cross at 1 comma 0, so that's the x-intercept. And the y-intercept is at 0 comma 3. So A is our